Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can export videos in After Effects. First, open the project you want to export, then head over to the top, go to Composition. Over here, select Add to Render Queue. After that, head to Render Settings below. Set your quality and resolution over here. You can set your format right here. I will choose QuickTime, then hit OK. Next, go to Output over here. Select your path location. I'm going to place this to downloads and click save. Then all you need to do is hit this render button over here. You're good to go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.